Well, got the excavator parked right here. That's all the further it made it. Track jumped off. When the rental company brought this out, this is GOSS Goss Rental out of Zanesville. The tracks are in horrible shape. Let me show you this. You can see here, 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 down here. So I kind of thought to myself, I was probably going to have problems, but I guess I was wishful thinking that it'd be alright. We used it up around the campsite, you know, kind of light duty stuff up there. Come down here, across the creek, and all the farther I made it. And of course I don't have a grease gun down here. We've, you know, did these tracks before. Don't have all the tools, the impact to loosen it up. And I'll pull it in, put it back on, then, you know, tighten it back up, use the grease gun, push it back out. Plus I shouldn't have to because it's a rental. I shouldn't have to repair this. So, of course, they have no 24-hour emergency number. No voicemail, that's all. I've sent a message on Facebook, and then I sent a message through their website as well for somebody to contact me in hopes that I'm not going to waste the whole weekend. Like I say, it's Saturday afternoon right now. I've been down here just since Friday, and it's a beautiful day. I have a lot of stuff to do, and I'm sitting here with a broken excavator and I can't get a hold of the company. So that's about it. It's going to wrap it up. I'll jump back on here if they do call me. If not, I'm going to head north and go back home for a couple days, I guess. So that's it.